Hello, 你好，大家好。Today's lesson is all about characters and food. Last time we learned 鱼 and roll. Let's learn noodles. Noodles we say 面 and dough also we call it 面. Pasta we say 意大利面. When 中国人吃面, when Chinese people eat noodles, we like to using ball instead of plate. So if I draw a picture, the ball should be like this, and then it has some marks, right? Then I will also make some marks on this. Imagine noodles is here and chopstick is here. So the character 面 should looking like this. And if I write again, the chopstick, the noodles, the ball, the beautiful marks, and then finish. 面. Now let's learn how to recognize drinks. 水, it's water. Have you ever heard about a feng shui? Chinese people like to talk about feng shui. Feng shui literally means wind and then the water. Feng shui together is talking about environment, how environment influence the people. Anyway, so 水 is water. Ancient people want to draw the water. Also, I guess it's the same. They draw something like river, right? And then this one, picture changed into character. They changed this way. So in the middle river, we make a straight line. And then to show it's not ending, there's a little hook. And then water, river from different areas. So this river, we write here. And this river, to show river are from different resourcing, we write this way. So handwriting way and then the printing way look like that. You can test yourself. Which one we say 哪个是面这个哪个是肉这个 meat 哪个是水这个 water 哪个是鱼这个 fish. Some characters are directly changing from the picture. Everything can easily draw by picture, so Chinese people create a sign we call a radical. For example, something related about water, we use a sign like that. So it's like a dot and then up to show this character it's related about water. For example, imagine this is the water level and this is a straw. So the whole character here is a juice sign. Juice we say 汁 and mango we say 芒果. So mango juice we say 芒果汁. Pinyin is writing this way. So Z we pronounce Z and ZH we pronounce Z. A little bit like in English DR pronunciation, driving or something, we say 知 and then this E doesn't make E sound. It's only for here, carry the tones. So this one 知 芒果汁 and apple we say 苹果. So you will see if you hear something 果 芒果苹果 it's somehow fruits. I say, we just learned 中国, 美国, 德国. What the difference? Of course, 德国, 国 is a country, and it's second tone. And 苹果, it's a third tone. So there are only few 国 for country, like 中国, 美国, 德国, 英国, 法国, and that's all. Oh, 泰国, Thailand. Two syllables together, two words together, 芒果, 苹果, and it's fruit. Let's see the character of the 果. 果 is a fruit. fruits are growing in the field. And this sign, if you see in the character, it's always related about field. Remember the fish part. And then the down part here, imagine this is the ground and this is the plants. And to emphasize, this part is a tree. We emphasize here under the ground the strong roots. So this whole character is a 果, the woods in the field. So 果汁, it's all kind of fruit juice. And 芒果汁, 芒果 juice. 苹果汁, apple juice. Now I change the order. If you can recognize all of them. The first one, 水面鱼肉果汁 fruit juice. Also, one last. Remember once you see dot dot and up, it's related about liquid or something watery. And then alcohol, we say 酒. And Jiu is Geu, 酒. Here, suppose if without two dot, it's supposed to pronounce u. But when G with this one, we don't need to write two dot because we don't have dual pronunciation. So it's a 酒, alcohol. Maybe once you're in China, you heard about 啤酒. 啤酒 is a beer. You can order already. 我要一个啤酒. And even you can say 我要一个冰啤酒. I want one cold, icy temperature beer. Now to make alcohol. And then we put alcohol in a big jar like that. So, change into character, we have to draw this jar. And of course, you need a cover. And then to show it's a liquid, we have to draw the water, the alcohol here. And then to take the water out, maybe we need the little spoon to, bring them out. So this character is a 酒. So I always say, let's learn one last. But then I realized there are two more important things we also should learn. So let's learn that. If you see in Chinese character, at this part, it's always related about the plants. Because imagine this is the ground. And then a lot of grass grows. So somehow this sign is about plants. And then for the tea like to grow on the hill or mountain. So here you can imagine it's a mountain sign. And then remember here, this part, it's related about wood. How to say that doesn't matter. But once you see this sign, the crossing and two strong roots, it's related about wood. And then the tea mountain has a small wood. So 这个是茶 tea. Then you can say 乌龙茶, 白茶, 红茶, 黄茶. But anyway, it's something 茶. Not so difficult, right? Now let's learn another one. Also plants. And then we're going to learn vegetables. But let's see, imagine vegetables, we also grow from the ground and we also need the roots, even not wood. But then when you grow and then there's the things on the top, and on the top you can see the cucumber and all the vegetable here. So this character is a vegetable, 菜. Actually, I didn't write in the right order. When we need to write character, we have orders, normally from up, top, to down, and from left to right. And this is not flat, so we write this way, dot, 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 and then this one first, this one, and from left to right. So this is the right way to write 菜. 菜 could be vegetables, could be dish, could be cuisine. Let me show you the menu with all characters. Now, could you find which one is noodles? Something 面, right? something something 面 noodles, and here's a meat even. So something meat with noodles. And 面. So this line there's no 面, but then try to find in this line which one is a roll. So this something roll, okay. And then here, 鱼. Here, something vegetable, 菜. Something vegetable and then fish. And then here, something roll, right? Here, something fruit, juice. Roll again, alcohol, 酒. Something fruit juice. And the apple, we say 苹果. You can see if a character has 2 dot plus 果. You know, once you cut the apple, you see the 2 little seeds. So 苹果汁. Something 菜, something roll, something 面, something 酒, something 水. During the class, we will learn more characters, then you can really say, I know what is the something 面. It's a 牛肉面. Video, I made it simple, so only the important things here. And if you are fleißig, if you're working harder, you try to figure out how this food called in Chinese. Okay? So keep going and see you next time. 再见. Goodbye.